So today we are going to discuss about how to take the readings in a traveling microscope. See, this is traveling microscope. So in which a vernier scale is set up. Okay, this small scale is vernier scale, and this is the main scale. You can find this up to 17 centimeter. This is a centimeter scale. So this is the vernier scale. Please don't count whatever the numbers are there. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 is there. So please don't count that. Okay, what you have to count is only how many divisions are there. Okay, there are 50 divisions are there. Okay, you can count from 0. So this is the pointer which is pointing the 0th line of the vernier, and you can count it is 50 lines are there. And this is the main scale. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the centimeter scale. This particular main scale, centimeter scale, will usually you have 0 centimeter, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1 centimeter. Usually this is the usual centimeter scale. So you will have 10 division here. But if you observe here, here in the main scale, from 0 to 1 it is not 10 division. Instead, it has 20 divisions. You can observe it carefully. If you observe this carefully, it has 20 divisions. It is like this. Between 0 and 0.1, you have one more small point, that is 0.5. Sorry, 0.05. So this is 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, 0.3, 0.35, 0.4, 0.45, 0.5, like that. So you will have 20 divisions. You will have 20 divisions. Okay. So let us calculate the least count for the microscope. Okay. So this is traveling microscope. Since it can travel horizontally from here to here, so this motion can be recorded and captured. So we can take a reading from this vernier scale setup. So let us calculate the least count. So least count has a formula. Value of 1 MSD. What is MSD? Main scale division. And total number of VSD. What is VSD? Vernier scale division. So let us calculate what is the value of 1 MSD. Value. So you can also write it as S divided by N. S is value of 1 MSD, N is the total number of vernier scale division. So what is the value of 1 MSD? See, this is the main scale. I am asking you what is the value of 1 MSD here. 1 MSD here. Okay, 1 main scale division. You know that you have 20 divisions here. If you observe here, you have from 0 to 1 centimeter, right? 0 to 1 centimeter, you have 20 divisions if you count. Okay, so from that we will calculate now. See, for 1 centimeter, you have 20 divisions. For 1 division, you have 1 by 20 centimeter. Okay, so value of 1 division is 1 by 20 centimeter, or you can write 0.05 centimeter. Okay, either one is correct. So what is the total number of vernier scale divisions? If you observe here carefully, this is the small scale, that is the vernier scale. How many divisions are there? If you count from 0 to 1, it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is 50 divisions are there. So total number of vernier scale division is how much? 50 divisions. Now let us substitute in the formula. Least count is equal to value of 1 MSD is 0.05 or 1 by 20 divided by total number of division in the vernier scale is 50. So it is 1 by 20 into 50. It is 1 by 1000. Right? What is 1 by 1000? It is 0.001 centimeter. So this is the least count. Now I will teach you how to take MSR, CVD and total reading. Okay. So you know the formula for total reading, that is MSR plus CVD minus zero error into least count. So this is the formula. So we already calculated the least count. Now here the zero error is assumed to be 0. So let us neglect it and we'll take only MSR plus CVD into least count. So we'll only take that. That is the total reading. Okay. So let us demonstrate. So let me calculate first what is MSR now. Let us go back to device here. Here scale. See, this is the scale where you will come to know. So this is the vernier scale, this is the main scale. Now you can see a arrow mark here. You can see a arrow mark here. So that is the 0 of the vernier scale. So whatever the value which is coinciding with the 0 of the vernier scale is your MSR. Okay. So whatever the value which is coinciding 0 of the vernier scale is your MSR. So let me check what it is there. So it is here it is 10, 10.1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If you see, this is 10.5, 10.55, 10.6, 10.65. It is coinciding exactly at 10.65. Here we got MSR as 10.65. Let us calculate what is CVD. Okay, now let us calculate CVD. See here you will have 50 divisions. Okay, 50 division. Any one of the division is coinciding with main scale reading. Any one of the division. So you should find out which number. Not in the main scale, you should count in the vernier scale. Okay, so if you count, you can observe it carefully. Which line is coinciding? Okay, it can be. You can observe that this is the 20th line, right? So 20th line is exactly coinciding, or you can say 26th line. 26th line or 30th line, you can see it is exactly coinciding. I find it is 25th, 26th, 27th line, right? 27th line, if you observe, it is coinciding exactly. If you find more than one or two lines, you have to choose which one is the best line which is coinciding. You have to choose from that, then you can write. The answer is 27th I have taken. Let us substitute in the formula. So TR is equal to MSR plus CVD into least count. So MSR is 10.65, CVD is 27, least count is 0.001. So the answer is 10.65 plus 0.027. So you will get 10.677 centimeter. That is the total reading you have to write here. Okay. So this is how you will take MSR, CVD, and I told you the least count.